Yeah, what it is, miss too much. Out here with Diddy Don Juan, you know what I'm saying, doing the motherfucking thing in AZ. Tired of all these motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying, being hateful, and we just out here trying to make the movement move, you know what I'm saying? But y'all know who you are. Don't try to fucking play, man, 'cause yeah, motherfucker, we see you. You're gonna feel the roar all through the crowd. Swag it out and do it loud. Diddy Don Juan miss too much on the scene. Top-notch bosses coming straight from the fiends. Always getting money, never none lost. Game from the baddest always comes with a cost. Yeah, we get it, 'cause we got it. Hope limousines, 'cause we pushing Maseratis. Roar like the lioness on the mic. Try to cross a path and we just might bite. I'm bringing to you in with a growl. You know how to do it, if not, we can show you how. We come like a beast, but we're beastrous. More power to you if you can defeat this. Got you pushing back, yeah, you think it's funny. Straight from the jungle, and yeah, we get money. All motherfucking ready. We see you next.